towards Srinagar. Srinagar, this is also in Jammu and Kashmir. I spent a few days with the Changpas, but sadly it was time to move on. My return journey would take me away from this special part of the world towards towns which looked like a totally different world. This time I took a different route from Leh. I was going towards Srinagar via Kargil. I saw many more amazing buildings and different houses. I stayed in Srinagar for a few days. I was amazed by the houses there. They took my heart away. मतलब कि उन्होंने उसका वहाँ के जो घर थे वो इतने खूबसूरत थे कि उन्होंने जो गौरव है उसका दिल जीत लिया. Some houses are on the mountains while some are on water. I took many pictures of this. See my photo album. फिर जब गौरव की रिटर्न जर्नी चालू हो गई तो ही वॉज गोइंग फ्रॉम श्रीनगर वाया कारगिल और फिर वहाँ पे उसको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट हाउसेस देखने को मिले. सो ही हैज़ टेकन सम फोटोग्राफ्स. We can see here houses of Srinagar. Tourists who come to Srinagar love to stay in houseboats. Houseboats can be as long as 80 feet and around 8 to 9 feet wide. See here houseboats. Next is many families in Srinagar live in a donga. These boats can be seen in Dal Lake and Jhelum River. From inside, the donga is just like a house with different रूम्स. इस तरह के जो बोट्स हैं उनको बोला जाता है डोंगा. बहुत सारी फैमिलीज इन्हीं बोट्स में रहती हैं. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. ब्यूटीफुल कार्विंग ऑन वुड कैन बी सीन ऑन द सीलिंग ऑफ हाउस बोट्स एंड सम बिग हाउसेस. इस तरह की डिज़ाइंस दिखाई देती हैं कुछ बिल्डिंग्स पे और कुछ बिल्डिंग्स यानी कि कुछ घरों पे, हाउस बोट्स पे. दिस डिज़ाइन इज कॉल्ड खातम बंद which has a pattern that look like a jigsaw puzzle. पजल की तरह ये जो पजल है जिक्सॉ पजल, इस तरह से ये कुछ डिज़ाइन दिखती हैं. तो इसका नाम है खातम बंद. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. In villages of Kashmir, houses are made from stones cut and kept one on top of the other and coated with mud. Wood is also used. The houses have sloping roofs. See sloping roofs, ताकि बर्फ नीचे गिर जाए. और स्टोन्स से बनाई जाती है. स्टोन्स को कट करके एक के ऊपर एक और उनको मिट्टी से क्या किया जाता है, उसको कोटिंग दी जाती है. In the next picture, some old houses have a special type of window which comes out of the wall. See, यहाँ पे ये वॉल है और इससे बाहर ये विंडोज दिखाई दे रही है. This is called dab. It has beautiful wood pattern. It is wonderful to sit here and enjoy the view. You can sit here. Here you can sit. Next is the old houses here are made of stones, bricks and wood. The doors and windows have beautiful arches. मेहराब मतलब बहुत सारी डिज़ाइन होती है उन पर. When I started my journey, I had not imagined that in one state I would see so many different kinds of houses and lifestyles. I had a wonderful experience of living on the mountains in Leh and another of living on water in Srinagar. I saw how both the houses in these areas were made to suit the climate. So he got amazed to see the style of houses, how they have made in Leh as well as in Srinagar. So in Leh he saw different the houses which are suitably made for the like which will suit in mountain area, and the houses which are there in Srinagar that is particularly suitable as per that climate. I saw how both the houses in these areas were made to suit the climate. तो वहाँ का जो climate है दोनों जगहों का वो different है और उस तरह से वो जो घर है वो बनाए गए हैं।